Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a shoulder catch duck hook. It's going to be really useful if you've done things like a Wurlitzer before, and if you've done some kind of hook spin. First move hook spin would be a kind of ideal starting place. If you've got those techniques under your belt already, you're going to find this nice and easy. Looks like this. It goes 7 and 8 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So let's break it down. It's actually a move that starts man's right, lady's left. So the easy way to do that is to actually start left to right, do a semicircle going back to two hands, and then release with the left hand. Okay, if you're already in right to left, then obviously you don't need to go through any of that. Then it's going to feel like a sweep from a catapult, obviously holding a different hand. So we're bringing the lady forwards, the sweep goes over the top, the ladies are turning left, guys are turning left. We get this arm up behind the back, lady's arm is pretty much straight. We're going to reach around and catch behind the lady's shoulder with the back of the left hand. What we're going to do now, guys, is we're releasing with the right as we're bringing the lady slightly forwards, starting rotation. Hand folds onto the lady's left shoulder, so we're now flat against the back of the lady's left shoulder. We lead a duck, so we're basically tilting the lady so the lady goes round underneath. At the same time as the lady's going round, guys, we're going to come in with this right to catch inside the lady's left arm. So she carries on round, the left comes out of the way, we block using that hand, and we'll probably end up with the forearm gently against the lady's side, bringing the lady to a stop, to reverse the lady's direction to get the return spin. Hence the Wurlitzer experience, catching left to right and we're done, or catching right to right, or whatever you're going to do next. So let's do the same thing from the other side and we'll think numbers. So we go back, getting ourselves into the correct hand. 1. Remember, guys, a little bit to the left if you're going to do a catapult type movement. Then we're going to sweep the lady through. 2. Pick up the shoulder. 3. Leading the rotation. 4. We get the duck and the hook on 5, return spin 6 and catch 7. So let's do it. Here we go. Shoulder catch, duck hook. We go a back, sweep, catch, rotate, duck hook, return spin and catch, and that is it. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed it, then please like, and if you're liking this kind of stuff, do think about subscribing. It helps promote the channel, which of course we'd be very pleased with, which of course can be good for helping promote dancing as well. Music recommendation on the end of something nice to practice to in the little squares that come up at the end. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.